Hi, I'm Rachel Gray. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I want to share with you how to make snickerdoodles. I may have mentioned before that I'm not really a huge fan of chocolate chip cookies. I know it's slightly un-American, but they're okay, but they're not great. But I do like cookies, and snickerdoodles are fantastic. You got that cinnamon sugar and they're sweet with a slight tang from the cream of tartar. So I'd rather have a snickerdoodle. So let me show you how to make snickerdoodles, and maybe you'd rather have a snickerdoodle too. Let's go over the ingredients we'll need to make snickerdoodles. We need 1 stick of butter or half a cup. We need 1.5 cups of sugar plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. We'll need 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 3/4 cup of flour, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon that we're going to add to our 2 tablespoons of sugar. So let me show you how we put this together. The first thing I'm going to do is preheat my oven to 400 degrees. I'm going to use the convection since I'll bake more than 1 rack at a time. The next thing I'm going to do is add my baking powder, cream of tartar, and salt to my flour. Then I'll just mix that together and set it aside. Next, using my KitchenAid with the paddle attachment attached, I'm going to add my softened butter and my sugar, and I'm going to cream those together. Once those are well combined, I'm going to add the eggs. And I'm going to add my vanilla and beat that together. Go ahead and scrape down the sides and make sure everything's well mixed. Then I'm going to add my flour mixture and beat that together. Scrape down the sides and mix one more time. Once my dough's together, then I'm going to take my cinnamon and mix it in with my sugar. Then I'm going to take a cookie scoop and get a ball of dough. I'm just going to roll it in my fingers until it's round. And then I'm going to take that ball and I'm going to roll it in with the cinnamon sugar. And then I'll place it on my tray. If you don't have a cookie scoop, you can just use a spoon. Once all the balls are shaped and coated in the cinnamon sugar, then I just need to flatten them a little bit and put them in the oven. This recipe, if you make them this big, makes about 2 dozen. If you want to make 3, then just use a smaller scoop. This scoop is 1.5 tablespoons, so you could certainly make them smaller if you wanted to. And to flatten them, I just take a glass and I just push down on them a little bit. And now they're ready to bake. I'm going to bake these snickerdoodles in a 400-degree oven for 8 minutes. I don't want them to brown. If they brown, then I've probably left them in too long and they'll be hard. So I just want them to be just set, not jiggly, and just barely starting to turn brown. Still blonde. 8 minutes on convection, 400 degrees. And after 8 minutes, your snickerdoodles are done. They're crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. That beautiful cinnamon sugar on the outside. This is a cookie for me. I know I'm in the minority, it's an unpopular opinion, but I'd rather have a snickerdoodle than a chocolate chip. And maybe after making these, you will too. You can find this recipe and over 200 other recipes on my blog, cookingwithrachel101.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And let me know your favorite cookie by leaving me a comment in the comments below. Thanks for watching.